It was an emotional send-off for the Bulgin brothers who passed away in the United States after jumping off a bridge and drowning. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Hundreds of mourners gathered at the New Testament Church of God Convention Center in Old Harbor, St. Catherine to pay their respect to Tavaris and Tavaughn Bulgin, the two brothers who drowned at the Jaws Bridge on Martha's Vineyard in Massachusetts on August the 14th. The two brothers were supporters of the Barcelona Football Club, as is observed from the color choice of their casket as well as the club's flag that is used to drape them. Not even the threat of the heavy rainfall could deter hundreds of Jamaicans who came out on Saturday to pay their respect to the brothers who passed away after a drowning incident in the United States. The Thanksgiving service to celebrate the life of the two brothers was held in Old Harbor, St. Catherine, which was filled to capacity as loved ones came from all walks of life to pay their final respects. During the service, the two siblings were remembered as God-fearing and ambitious young men who were on a path towards greatness. At the event, many came and tried to keep a straight face, but the sight of two caskets side by side in the halls of the church was enough to break them down. Colonel Charles Jr., the Member of Parliament for Clarendon Southeastern, a part of the parish which the brothers were from, spoke about the invaluable contribution that both siblings made in their short time on earth.
Arise to express my deepest condolences on behalf of the entire constituency of Southeast Carolina, our Prime Minister and Cabinet Government, to Reverend Bulgin, Mrs. Bulgin, sisters, family members, to their school family, and the church family. This is a difficult one. Take the opportunity as we express condolences to congratulate the parents of these two young men. I think that I speak for everyone in saying that in a time when this world, our country, Jamaica, suffers from so much criminality, and it is so easy for our youngsters to divert the wrong. Reverend Bulgin, Mrs. Bulgin, you have been able to grow up in this time to one of the finest young leaders that I have seen. When I unused their past, like every other parent in this country, I felt I know the how, I know the when, I know the where, I know what happened, and I know I could not be only part of it. And I want to tell you, church, funny it is, but it is Reverend Bulgin in my conversation with him at his house, who I don't know maybe you are in this way, my friend, but to know that you are the one who are comforting me and guiding me and reminding me that it's not the why or the how you go that is important, but the where you are going. For you to be able to remind me of that, I'm going to tell you, you are human, but you are being used even in your time of grief. Because I'm telling you, it's true. the church. And grandmothers are one who didn't come off their knees, but deeply trusted in the toughest times. And so, it is important for us to celebrate the life of these two young leaders who, despite what I may feel or you may feel, lived exactly the time they were set to live. And they imparted exactly on us what they were here to impart. But it is for us to make sure that we do not take what they gave us and waste it. As I close, I want to again thank the family, and I want to pledge from the constituency and on behalf of the constituency that for the upcoming financial year we will be dedicating $200,000 towards the scholarship. And we are going to continue to work with you to see how we can get more. Because I must tell you, it is
The Member of Parliament also said that he would be donated $200,000 towards a foundation that was set up in honor of the young men. Reports are that an account has been opened at the Bank of Nova Scotia in Maypen, Clarendon, with the purpose of establishing a foundation in memory of the brothers. The Bulgin brothers were on seasonal employment at Norman's restaurant in town of Oaks Bluffs in Martha's Vineyard. Reports are that the brothers and two others jumped from the American Legion Memorial Bridge, more popularly known as the George Bridge, and got into difficulties. The other two were rescued, but the brothers never survived. The tragic incident took place on Sunday, August 14 at Martha's Vineyard in the United States.